Hi there, students. Teleology or teleology. I've heard both pronunciations used. Teleology, teleology. Okay. Teleology explains the reason that things happen by the objective that they serve, by what they actually do. Now, you can look at teleology either from a theological point of view or from a philosophical point of view. Let's see, if you look at teleology from a theological point of view, then you are looking at the natural world and the things that happen around us, and trying to show that things happen because they have a purpose, they have a design. You're using the purpose of something, what it does, as a means of explaining it. And therefore, using teleology, people can try to prove that there is an overall design of the world that we live in, or there is an overall controller, and that is God. So teleology would be a way of showing that God exists. It's a belief that everything has a special purpose. It has a special reason for happening. Okay, and this is teleology or teleology. It's studying the design in nature. It's the belief that natural systems, natural things, are explained by the result, by what they cause, rather than anything else, and that this happens because they provide proof of a great designer of the universe. Now, from a philosophical point of view, teleology is a very human thing, because as human creatures, we always do things thinking about the result, about what we're going to get or what's going to happen if we do something, and that itself is teleology, cause and effect. And human beings, human actions are teleological, because we do things to get a certain result. And from a philosophical point of view, it's very easy. Or, for example, in a business, management, you manage your group or your business by objectives. So you look at the objective and then you think how to achieve that objective. That is teleological thinking. Yeah, how do I get this? What can I do to cause this effect? So, as creatures, humans are very, very teleological. Yeah, that's how we think. It's the way, because we're looking at the final cause. The final cause is the predetermined purpose of something. But in theology, in gods, it's believing that everything in nature has a purpose, that all of the things, the sun comes up, the sun shines, and that itself has a purpose. And this is something that you can attribute to the divine maker, to the great maker. So it's a way to try to show that God exists. So, teleology, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 7 in formality. I think most people are not going to know what it means. And then as to origin, It comes from ancient Greek telos, the purpose, and logos, the words, the speech, the discourse, the discussion. So teleology is talking about the purpose of things, is looking at the purpose or objective of things and trying to apply that itself to nature. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Teleology.